see my dream car, G80. I'm gonna get it one day.
So that, and then it's traffic season, and I feel that.
Obviously, you can see the tray still working with flex 180. I decided to go hit a run, still hold it. Right now, price is at break even, just bouncing around. All right, y'all, so we're at the gym. My boy, Jacob. Y'all know Jacob. All right, y'all, welcome back to week 7. This is week 7. Goodness gracious. We're on a roll, but we're going. So welcome back to week 7. This video is going to be an amazing video because we got some amazing trades, amazing call outs. Like always, just tune in, sit back, enjoy these videos that I'm working on for you all. And I just pray that you learn something. Pray that you learn something. Pray that you put it to use. And really just to show that it's possible to get to the point where you always wanted to be, just through hard work, dedication, and showing up every single day, applying the thing that you need to apply. And most of all, trusting faith, having faith and trusting in our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ throughout the entire journey. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy the video, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. Deuces. We then have this beautiful support/resistance zone on the 4-hour time frame, which is in sync with the 1-hour break of structure. Now we're simply just waiting for price to tap back into, perform the switch of structure on the 5-minute time frame, and we simply route this trade towards targets around here. So we'll have to see what happens come later tonight. Like always, updates will be posted, so make sure you are looking out for those, and let's see what happens. Hey y'all, I'm at the gym right now. Just entered my trade, entered the position. I did a screen recording, so I'm gonna pop that up so you can see the screen recording. We entered the position. It did just tap back into our entry zone, which I wanted to see. And so now we're just letting that trade ride. I'm gonna finish this workout, and like always, updates throughout the day. And I guess I'll do a deeper explanation when I get back to the house. So stay tuned for that.
What up, y'all? Let's go look at the chart. You know I love y'all a lot because I'm just not getting up. I didn't fix the bed. Still gotta do my face. Still gotta brush my teeth. I still gotta get ready for the gym. Let's go look at the charts. And I gotta cut this. It's alright. But we about to check out the charts. So let's do that. I see my dream car, G80. I'm gonna get it one day. Price is moving. You can obviously see we are looking nice. So price is doing what we need it to do. Let's see how much we are floating. I don't know why my computer's been tripping, so hold on. All right, so we're logging in. About to show y'all how much we are floating. We are currently floating $300. So not at TP1 just yet, but we are looking nice. Price is moving. That's what we want, and we're doing good. So I tell y'all this all the time. Updates will be posted. I'm about to get ready so I can go to the gym. I'm gonna catch y'all here in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym, but guess what I'm doing? We are recording the live trading. So right now I am recording my screen. You can obviously see floating around $100. Price had this huge retracement, but lower time frame. It looks like we're just retracing towards the 15-minute break of structure, which is good. We retest that structure, reject it, have some type of bearish momentum pickup. We can go towards the downside, but I'm about to go to the gym. I'm about to cut that off. So I'm gonna put this probably in that video. I probably won't, and I'll leave it just for, you know, the exclusive, the week 7 people. But yeah, so we're doing that. About to go hit the gym. So I'm about to go cut that off. I'm gonna show y'all the board. We got stuff done today. So I have the live trading. I have to edit this. We recorded that when we made the $1,200. We recorded that. I have to do that. I have the week 7. Obviously, we're recording that right now. I still have to edit week 6. And that's really it. Oh, I gotta put on here me and my fiance's channel. We have we went to another house. Went to go check out another. Bro, these houses though, we putting y'all on. If y'all don't know about, you know, areas in Dallas, the back streets, the country, really check out the channel. That's all I gotta say. Check out the channel. That's all I gotta say. So I gotta write that down. We have 15 tasks, completed 5. This week we're going to have week 7 done. Obviously, I have to write some stuff. Yeah, I got a few stuff I gotta write on there, probably like 4 more things. But besides that, we're about to go get ready, go to the gym. Like always, I'm gonna update y'all throughout the day. We made it, y'all. We're going in here. I'm gonna update y'all when we sit down, so you gotta wait. Excuse me. Thank you. All right, so obviously I just saw the structure is getting back towards our entry level. It's looking like we have a big news event that's happened within the market, so we just gotta continue to wait right now. We are in the waiting room waiting for Nisha. Like I said, I'm bringing y'all along the entire day, so stay tuned for that when it comes to updates in the market when we get back to the house. But as of right now, we just gotta continue to hold, see if price wants to reject from this, again, resistance level, treat it as treat it as resistance, reject it, and then continue towards our overall target. So like always, we gotta wait and allow price to play out how I believe it will play out. So updates coming later. All right, y'all, so we just made it back to the crib. You can obviously see how the trade is doing. We're sitting in entry, but we're showing this huge rejection, which is good. So we're still holding, price is still fluctuating. We can actually pull up our account. Hold on. Right, so y'all can see right here, we're floating around break even. Price is playing around at our entry. Like I said, on my trading challenge, we got in a little bit lower than I wanted to get in. I wanted to get in up here, obviously, is why the short position is set up to here instead of here. You can obviously see where I'm entered around here. So right now price is at break even, just bouncing around. We could see rejection, which I am seeing. Price is rejecting. We do see this huge wick. We just got to see what happens throughout the day. So like I say all the time, updates will be posted. All right, y'all, so I'm back with updates on the chart. I haven't done anything all day but chill and laid in the bed. We relaxed today. We got stuff done. We got a whole bunch of videos and stuff done yesterday. So today was really just like a relaxation day as we went to the Nisha's doctor's appointments. So that took 3 hours. We had 2 appointments. I didn't take out to the second one because I was just beyond tired. But updates on the trade. So you can obviously see price retrace back towards our entry. It's now finding rejection again towards this area of support / resistance, and we can possibly see price push. We do have NFP tomorrow, so I am expecting NFP to help us out, push overall towards targets. I don't know if I told y'all already, but I don't really care when it comes down to news. People always say, well, you shouldn't trade news, you shouldn't trade news. Well, the strategy and the plan that I use, news really just backs up the overall correct technical analysis of the trade. If I'm right about my trade, the news just helps push that trade in my direction. Or say if I am wrong, typically the news events will wick me out, and then after the news happens, price continues towards overall target. So typically a lot of the times when I'm dealing with news, it plays out in my favor, so I don't really care too much about news or anything. I trade what I see, and I see what I trade. So I guess updates are going to come tomorrow morning as soon as NFP hits or something. Well, I don't know. I'll figure something out as price continues to do what it needs to do. So updates coming later. Y'all know what time it is. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing happened last night. When I showed y'all last night, we went to sleep. And I can't even see because I don't got my glasses. I just now woke up. And the chart is booming. We're booming. We're moving. We're moving. 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 Hold on, I'm about to show y'all the account. I'm blessed, beyond blessed. I give all praise towards my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I did get my notification at like 5 this morning. I'm about to show y'all. Let me sit down. All right, y'all, so I got my notification. I'm about to pull it up so we are floating $600. Not at the full TP just yet, but oh, here it is. So you can see my alert go off earlier this morning. I want to say around 3 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, let me move the mouse. You can see that wick. That's when my alarm went off. So price is doing good. We simply keep letting price play out. Like, it's doing exactly what we talked about. And now we just got to continue to hold. Yeah, there's really nothing else to do. I'm about to get ready because I think I might go to the gym today. I'm not supposed to because it's Friday. I never go to the gym on Fridays, but who knows? We'll see. All right, I'm gonna see y'all here in a minute. Yo, and I just noticed that NFP happened this morning. Y'all can see 7:30 NFP already happened. So this move, you see this huge wick back towards the upside? This happened around 7:30. So the news already happened. I'm assuming, I guess 8:30 when the market opens, New York time, stock market, I should say. Then we can see possible move. But right now we are still holding, still waiting. I'm about to brush my teeth. Like I told you all, get ready, possibly go to the gym, hit a nice little lift, come back. I gotta get my video out. The week 7. Week 6. We gotta get that out. I gotta edit the house hunting video for me and Nisha, do a pre-market analysis. We got some good stuff for today. Yeah, good stuff for today. Good day today. Like I said, still holding the trade. We'll see what happens. Cut y'all on if something good happens before I leave. But if something happens after I leave, I'm gonna cut y'all back on no matter where I'm at and then give y'all updates like we do. So I'm gonna see y'all here in a minute. Deuces. All
All right, y'all, so we went to go run. Obviously, you can see the trade's still working with fluctuating. I decided to go hit a run. Still holding. Market closes at 4, so we got plenty of time to see what the market does before I decide to close. So I guess I'll update y'all whenever I finish the run. All right, I'll be back. All right, we just got done with running. I'm about to go look at the charts. And now we are still recording. As you can see, floating around $414, still not doing anything. I want to see us break that low. As soon as we can break that low, we're good to go hit targets. I guess right now I'm about to go hop in the shower. I'm gonna edit and eat some food. Really chill, laid back day today. I got a lot of editing to do, so we're about to just knock that out and keep letting the trade run. So updates, like always, coming later. 178. Gold 175, so we're 3 pounds off. Knocking on the door. Knocking on that door. 178. So good weight. I'm about to go eat. And we're about to give updates on the trade. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I'm tired. That run, I'm not even about to lie, that beat me up. But we're back at the house. We're looking at the chart. And we are still finding rejection towards this area of resistance / support. Even though price is still clearly in this downwards trend, we are rejecting still, but we have broken underneath the zone somewhat, right? We have this minor break. I would love to see a clean break like this, but we do have somewhat of a break. I'm looking to hold over the weekend. We are floating around $260, nowhere close towards our target. So again, we're looking like we're going to swing this until next week. So right now, I'm about to edit, do what I do, and I guess I'm gonna see y'all next week, Monday. And we'll see what happens Monday night. I'll catch you then. All right, y'all, so the trade's going super slow. I stopped editing for a second. I got tired. So we're outside watching Kobe do Kobe. Boston laying down still. He being lazy. I don't have much going on right now. I guess I came outside to really just reflect on the things that I have been doing, the things that I need to do. And yeah, that's it. Really decompress, take a break. Trade's doing well though. Like I said, there's really nothing going on. I'm just outside. I'm listening to the little water right here. And then y'all hear Kobe. He's barking at his friends. I'm gonna show y'all who he's barking at, which is crazy. There's dogs. So you see this right here, that building, there's dogs around here. And he will stick. Kobe does this and he will bark at them. There they go, look. Right there. That little black dot. So that's what Kobe does. He'll go talk to his friends. But all right, I guess I'll cut y'all back on something exciting happening. Nothing really happening right now. What up, y'all? Welcome back to week 8 of the trading challenge. It's 7 in the morning as of right now. We're on the way to Nisha's doctor's appointment, but the trade is still doing phenomenal. So you can see we rejected our entry level once again, treating it as resistance, and price is now having a strong push towards the downside. So right now, there's nothing going on. We're on the way to the doctor's appointment, like I said. If something happens once we get there or after we get there, I'm gonna update y'all. But like always, updates is going to come whenever price does something spectacular. And right now, price isn't doing anything but what we expected, a rejection plus a push. So let's see what happens come later today. And like always, I'm going to update y'all along the way. Good morning. Hold on. I'm about to do the TV and cut this off. Good morning, y'all. So I do apologize. We haven't did anything. Nothing's going on. But got updates with the trading pair. Man. So check me out. We finally hit targets. This is GBP CAD. We finally hit targets. Goodness gracious. So we've been holding this trade for damn near a week. We got in last Tuesday and we've been holding since last Tuesday. So I'm about to pull up the challenge account and I'm going to show y'all how much we are floating at the moment. So I haven't closed this trade only due to the fact that I'm about to show y'all my input. So y'all see how price wicked into the TP and then start pushing back towards the opposite direction. Since we fully haven't hit TP and I wasn't awake at the time, I like to give price until 8 o'clock, basically allowing this 4-hour time frame candle to close. So here in the next 42 minutes, we're going to see if price decides to work its way back up in the next 40 minutes and close up here. I'm going to hold until I see price push back down towards target. But if price pushes and we close a little bit underneath, I might hold this trade for a little bit longer just to squeeze out a little more profits. So right now, that's what I said I was doing, my fault. Right now, we are currently up
around $837. Trade is doing phenomenal. Price action has finally played out like we said how I believed it would, and now it's just about allowing price to fully play out. And when I mean fully play out, fully just break through my take profit area, and I will close this trade. So great way to start the week, ladies and gentlemen. Holding this trade for a while, finally hit our targets. Now we wait, and I'm gonna update y'all with something else, whatever happens. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we just walked back into my room, and I'm about to show y'all what's going on with price. It's ridiculous. So I didn't get the chance to close. As you all can see, we started to push back up, but a good thing that is happening is that I'm not really worried about price reversing fully. Why? Because like you all know, we finally broke back underneath this zone. Now I'm looking for price to have that retest and then possibly continue. Just gotta wait. I gotta be patient. I don't like to, even though we did hit my take profits, I'm not at my full take profit zone. So if I close my trade, I'm breaking my rules, and I don't want to break my rules. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to allow price to have the retest. Prayerfully it rejects and we continue to fall. But if price goes a little bit higher, I'll just close around break even. It is what it is. I'm not really worried about it. It's part of my trading plan and how I trade, and this is what I'm going to do. So like always, updates will be posted. All right, y'all, so we are at the gym. I'm with my boy Jacob. Y'all know Jacob. Y'all seen him. If y'all haven't seen him, y'all need to go check out me and Nisha's couple channel bowling video. Best video you ever gonna watch.
BTA. You didn't even put the whole video out. That's crazy.
Shut up. Niggas,
They don't need to know that. Nah, but y'all can obviously see the charts right now. The charts are doing good. Price is moving how we want it to move. We're about to hit a workout right now. So basically updates are going to come once we finish the workout or in the midst of the workout. Just looking how looking at price action, it's looking like we might have that push during this workout, which is good because I'm ready to get out this trade. I'm actually ready to stop holding. So we're gonna see, like I said, updates like always will be posted, so just stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, we just got back to the crib from the gym. What was you saying? Bro, you can talk, it's just a video. So.
Oh, my fault. Y'all got two whiteboards?
Yeah, this one I use for basically my overall goals, and then this is my weekly stuff I have to get done.
Okay, bet.
Yeah, this is this recorded, this live trading one. Mm-hmm. That's why I left this empty, because I got to see what number I'm gonna make.
You got 23 total tasks, you only completed 13.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And then, so this is already completed because I'm editing it, but I haven't posted. Those 3 is this video that I'm doing now, the birthday video. Just got back to the house. I'm about to show y'all the chart. Just like we talked about earlier, we can see the retest that's happening within price, and now we're having that continuation. We are floating now $1,000. Price continues to push how I believe it will. We're probably looking at a $1,400, probably $1,500 day. We'll just have to wait and see, but price is doing well. I'm about to eat. I gotta edit.
They got me tweaking and I feel that. And then the traffic season and I feel that. What, Nick? What you finna eat?
I don't know yet. So I guess I'm gonna update y'all whenever I close out the trade, and that's going to be it for this week. And I'm gonna catch y'all in week 8. Don't worry about the nonsense in the back. I hit my child's hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all later on. I'm gonna catch y'all. Yeah, so I decided to close here for a beautiful 1, 2, 3 risk to reward in return. Don't get me wrong, we can definitely squeeze out a little bit more, but I got tired of holding this trade. I don't want to be greedy, and we hit our targets, so I'm more than good, right? I was aiming for a 1 to 2. I got a 1 to 3. I'm good. I'm done. So we ended up taking that trade. We finally closed out. We've been in this trade for 7 days. I'm about to show y'all now. So right here, you can obviously see GBP CAD, $1,200, 7 days. And on top of that, I'm just not noticing all the trades that we have been taking have been sales, which is crazy, except for this, but of course, not available. All these trades have been sales. We are currently sitting on the account we are now at $51,103.83. We are looking good. Everything's going well. You can see the current chart, how we were trending bearish, then price started to shift. Now we're back in this upwards trend, which is really good. We're doing well, the challenge is going well, and everything's going smooth. So that's it for week 7. I'm gonna catch y'all in week 8.